Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidelis Homeopathy. First and foremost, what we have to discuss is that we will be discussing about a section of people, that is PCOS plus obesity. If a person is PCOS, and that is if she is suffering from polycystic ovarian syndrome, and also if the person is obese, why is it hard for them to lose weight? You have to remember that people who are suffering from PCOD will lose weight very easily. But PCOS, that is not the case. It is very hard to lose weight. So why is it hard to lose weight, and how to lose weight, and why do people who have PCOS suffer from obesity, and are there people who have PCOS and are lean? We will be answering all of these questions step by step. So first we will know what is obesity. Obesity has different definitions, but today we are discussing on the point of BMI. If you check your BMI, which is body mass index, and your BMI is accounting to be 25 or more than 25, that means you are overweight. And if your BMI is 30 or more than 30, you come under the obese category. So if your BMI is more than 30, that means you've already become obese. So your chances of getting other lifestyle disorders, like it can be hyperinsulinemia, or it can be type 2 diabetes, it can be cardiac diseases, it can be hyperlipidemia, it can be hypothyroid, or it can be PCOS, or it can be PCOD, are more. So here we are answering the first question. What is it? Do people who are obese, or people who are obese, will they be getting this PCOS? Yes, they have a increased risk or higher chance of getting not only PCOS but other lifestyle disorders, like which I've already mentioned, type 2 diabetes, cardiac diseases, hyperlipidemias, and even bone disorders also, and even thyroid disorders also. So if you take 10% of people who are obese and 10% of people who are lean and are working out, and you take another section of people who are 10 but they are lean but not working out, who will have higher chance of getting PCOS? People who are obese will have a higher chance of getting PCOS. The second group who will have a higher chance of getting PCOS will be people who are lean but who are not working out. And the least chances will go to people who are lean and are working out. So you understand that obesity can be a triggering factor or a step towards PCOS, but not all people who are obese will be getting PCOS. And here we have to talk about obesity and thick people. Many people confuse that I am thick, so I am obese. No, if you're not having any sort of extra fat near your belly or on your thighs or on your back, and you do not have any loose fat in your arms, that means you might be a thick girl. That is, your body shape might be different, but you do not come under obese. If your BMI is more than 35, or if your BMI is more than 30 and your muscle quantity is less and your fat quantity is more, they will come under obesity patients, or they will come under obese patients. People who are thick, who do not have any sort of belly fat, or whose BMI is normal, or whose muscle power is more, although the weight is a little bit too much, but the muscle quantity is good and the fat quantity is low, then they do not come under obese patients. Do patients who are suffering from PCOS are always obese? See, PCOS patients can be of two categories. Type 1 category, where they are suffering from PCOS and also they are obese. Type 2 category, where they are suffering from PCOS and they are lean. So they can be patients who are suffering from PCOS, but they can also be lean. It is not that if there are 100 people who are suffering from PCOS, 60 people who are suffering from PCOS can be obese and 40 people who are suffering from PCOS can be lean. It is not negligible or zero. Okay, so they can be 40% of people who are suffering from PCOS currently who are lean. Okay, that is important. Not all patients who are suffering from PCOS have to be obese. We have discussed how homeopathy offers or gives a better shot at PCOS and obesity, and even type 2 diabetes, or to that matter any female reproductive organ diseases. Here we are talking about, in homeopathy, we are talking about Fidelis Homeopathy, which will give you a better way to cure yourself. Here we have two types of consultation options. One is online consultation option, the second one is offline consultation option. If you're someone who's staying in the nearest branch of Fidelis, you can come and contact us in person. But if you're staying far away from us, you can contact us online through audio consultation option or through video consultation option. Once the consultation is done and once the case is taken and investigations are reviewed, especially to the online clients, our medicines will be delivered to you to your home. If you are staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. And across the globe, anywhere, our medicine can take time of 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you're someone who's suffering from PCOS and obesity, or if you're suffering from female reproductive organ diseases, you can contact us through this number which is displayed on the screen. You can call us, you can WhatsApp us, or you can message us through this number. And if you want to know more about Fidelis Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidelis.com. We have discussed how homeopathy offers a better shot at lifestyle disorders and also chronic disorders. Now we will be talking about why Fidelis Homeopathy should be opted. Fidelis Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we are following 3 principles. The first one is we have already experienced higher success rate in people who are experiencing PCOS. We have brought down the symptoms of PCOS. We have brought down the symptoms of PCOD. They're having a better lifestyle. Their fertility rate is increased. People are conceiving. They're having good pregnancy. Outcomes of all of these diseases are really good. So high success rate. Second one is transparent treatment. Here we do not have any gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will be explaining the prognosis of your case in a very clear manner to you. And apart from that, when we come to the personal care here at Fidelis Homeopathy, it is top-notch personal care. Here we will be busting all of your myths. We will clear all of your doubts. If you want to opt for health, if you want to opt for cure, choose Fidelis Homeopathy. Thank you.